Hi guys, today we will do a bit of unboxing of Keychron K2. You will see what's inside the box. So basically this is the box. I already opened it. This is from the back. From the side, there's a Keychron logo over there. And there's a dark colored Keychron image on the front of the box. So it written there Keychron K2 in Chrome. Okay, so here we go. There's a sponge. This you can use to mod the keyboard later. And this is the manual, basic instruction on how to set up the keyboard. And there's a small instruction over here. Make sure the switch pins are straight before inserting the switch in. This is mechanical keyboard, so the switches are basically replaceable. So every color of the switches gives you different typing experience. Next, this is the detail manual. Many languages, and then we have a plastic cover. Set that, and this is the thing. This is the Keychron K2. Can you see that? There's a dust pack, plastic dust pack, and this is a keyboard. Looks nice, isn't it? It's a bit thick. Yeah, let's go to the back. Keychron K2 wireless mechanical keyboard. Alright, okay, so what else do we have in here? So we put this aside first. And there's something inside. So they give few replaceable keys, and this is the keycap puller. No, this is the keycap puller. This is the keycap puller. Oh, sorry, that one it was the switch puller. This is the keycap puller. And the cable. So basically, this is a wireless keyboard. So the cable can be used for charging, and also you can power on directly through this Type C. USB cable is Type C. Okay. So basically that's it in the box. So let's switch on the keyboard and see how it looks like. Okay, now let's turn on this keyboard. So we just switch on the wireless over here, the Bluetooth. Wait for it to connect. Okay, here we go. Yep. Seems like it's working. Very nice. Backlighting over there. So let's see how it sounds like. So basically this is yellow color switch, so it gives a tactile typing feeling. So this is how it sounds like. Okay, you can also switch the multiple modes of the lighting. There's the one like that. Which places you can do this. And there are so many other different modes. So thank you for watching this video guys, and please if you would like to purchase this keyboard, please follow the link in the details, in the video details below, and you can purchase it from there. Thank you for supporting my videos, and have a good day. Bye bye.